many years played this character in the Nutcracker. I thought that, yes, I love that. Mother Ginger.
Mother Ginger, yeah.
What's that like to do something for so many years?
50,
you went in and out.
52 years.
Yeah, wow.
In and out, yeah.
Yeah, because you're busy, but yeah.
Well, it was an extraordinary experience. It was because, first of all, I was in my teens when I first did it. I was about 15 years old when I first, but I'm short now, but for my age at the time I was tall, and she needed someone for we did many, many, many performances of Nutcracker in those days, and she needed someone to fill in this role, which people who know the Nutcracker may know is this. It's basically a man in travesty, you know, in a women's clothing, and like a big skirt, and comes out, it's kind of a comic character, and then opens the skirt, and these little police Chanels come out.
Yeah.
And I did it when I was 16, or 15 or 16, and I did it through high school, as well as I also did Drosselmeyer. I was sort of very, very confused.
Right. But then even in that, like, celebration one for the anniversary of how long the company was together.
50 years,
50
yeah.
years, you did that one as
yes,
well. Yes,
yeah. So she called me, but she's still, and Igor Yuskevich, who's one of the legendary names in the history of ballet, said I was without question the best Mother Ginger there ever was.
How wonderful.
And, yeah, it was very touching. And his daughter, who I know is a friend, reminds me of that all the time. But it was very interesting, and I think it's because I gave it a special
your touch.
Turn, yeah. And because it wasn't just this sort of cardboard character, sort of two-dimensional character who comes in, waddles on, lets the kids out, brings them back in, and goes off. I actually developed a character. And as I aged, Mother, you know, evolved as well. And there are some of the dancers who did Police Chanels who are now grown-up women, you know, and whatever, and they sometimes still call me Mother.